1998 Chrysler Cirrus LXI 2.5 V6. I've made several videos about this car. I bought it from a retired couple that had it for 17 years. They told me that it had oil leaks, and then it would stop. It would start up, run perfect, quit after 20 minutes. So I installed a distributor way back in the back there. Checked the crankcase positioning sensor. Ran perfect, put 15,000 miles on, but it always would kind of cut out sometimes, never throw a code. But I've just been using some simple tools here, test light, Walmart's Hypertech multimeter. I've checked all my fuses, and I did order a ECM or PCM power control module. Next step. And I also have this Foxwell. It's a Foxwell NT301, which is a good scanner. I bought this scanner used off of Craigslist. But if you plug this in down here, it comes up, Foxwell, then turn your switch on, then go to OBD2 and enter. It goes through its process, and it does have 3 different modules here that tell you what's going on with your vehicle. I'm doing this video just before I get my new ECM, and I'll probably do the same thing with the brand new ECM. Go over some of this stuff with tests. But it always did come up with green light. There's no codes. There is, all the sensors are working. All of the, connections must be good. And I have used this on other vehicles, and if there's a problem, it will show the red, the yellow. But anyway, I'm just making this short video. I'm waiting on my electronic control module, which won't be hard to replace. I've done ohms meter on all my relays. This stuff is all the fuses. I've checked with the test light. So let's just see what happens.